Point the pen, concentrate, write. VRS 2000 are eligible only for superannuation pension under Regulation 28 of the Pension Regulations, and that the provision for adding 5 years notional service to the actual service rendered in case of those opt for voluntary retirement under the pension regulations will not be available to those who opt for voluntary retirement under the VRS 2000 stop. It is submitted that the Regulation 28 of the pension regulations originally provided for superannuation pension to be paid to the employees who retired on attaining the age of superannuation stop. Since VRS 2000 optees would retire after 15 years of service, vide the said circular dated 23/12/2000, the petitioner bank also recorded approval of Government of India to amend Regulation 28 of the said regulations to the effect that pension shall be granted to an employee who opts to retire before attaining the age of superannuation but after having served for a minimum period of 15 years in terms of any scheme that may be framed for the purpose by the bank's board with concurrence of the government stop. The respondent, in terms of the above said scheme, applied for voluntary retirement and was relieved from the services of the bank on 29/1/2001 and received all his benefits as provided under the scheme stop. The pension was paid to him in terms of the scheme as per amended Regulation 28 stop. The respondent had, however, made a representation for the first time in June 2003 claiming that calculation for purposes of pension may be made in terms of Regulation 29(5) of the PSB pension regulations stop. This was after accepting the benefits and as per judgment of the Honorable Court in Bank of India versus OP Swarankar 2003 to SCC 721, he had no right to claim further benefits having accepted the contractual scheme floated by the petitioner bank for a specific purpose stop. The respondent thereafter filed a petition being CWP number 6406/2006 in the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh, claiming the benefits of pension to be calculated in accordance with the Pension Regulation 29(5) full stop. The same having been allowed, the petitioner approached the Honorable Court again for review of the judgment dated 10/1/2007 stop. The review application having been dismissed, the present special leave petition is being filed stop. The petitioner also states that the regulation/subject matter of the petition is already under consideration before this Honorable Court is SLP number 22704/2005 stop. It is stated that on the issue of giving benefit of 5 years of notional service has been subject matter of controversy before the various high courts stop. The Calcutta High Court in GA number 593/2005 in the case of Union Bank of India versus Subhash Chandra has held that such benefits cannot be claimed stop. Similar view has been expressed by the Honorable Bombay High Court Pannaji bench in WP number 162 of 2001 in the case of N. Dinakara Sherry versus Union of India. Stop. The Delhi High Court in CWP number 426 of 2002 has concurred. Stop. The judgment passed by the Delhi High Court is a matter of appeal by way of letters patent appeal being LPA number 1673 of 2006. Stop. The decision of the Kerala High Court, which has taken a contrary view, is subject matter of challenge before this Honorable Court in the case of Bank of India versus K. Mohandas and others in SLP number 22704 of 2005. Stop. That subsequently the Kerala High Court in OP numbers 5093, 5805 and 9656 of 2002 in the NU Karoop and others versus Union of India has held that the view in Mohandas case cannot be taken as laying down the legal position correctly. Full stop.